Hello, welcome to India EDU tutorials of progression series. In our earlier classes we have discussed various examples. Today moving further we will discuss some more examples on AP, GP, HP series. Our first example is find sum of sequence 7, 77, 777 and so on up to n terms. Now this can be seen that this series is neither GP, HP or AP. So what we will do is first we will convert this series into any one of AP, GP or HP and then find out its sum. So let's see how to do this. So our series is 7, 77, 777 and so on. Now one thing can be noticed that all these terms in this series are multiple of 7. As they are multiple of 7, so this series can be converted into GP. For converting this into GP, our first step would be to take 7 common from all these terms, which will give us, taking 7 as a common, will give us 1, 111, 111 and so on. Now in the next step, we will multiply this series by 9 and also divide this series by 9 to equalize it. So dividing the series by 9 and taking it common and now multiply 9 in the terms will give us 9, 99, 999 and so on. In the next step, now we know that this is the series and we need to sum it up. So this can also be written as 9 plus 99 plus 999 and so on. And 9 can also be written as 10 minus 1 plus 10 square minus 1, that is 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 or 10 cube minus 1 and so on. The next step, take all these multiples of 10 at one side and all these minus 1 on the other side, which will give you 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube so on plus in the bracket minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and so on. Now this forms our GP, that is 10 into 10, 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube, and the ratio of these terms is 10. So using our formula to sum up the GP series, which is a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, a is 10 over here into r is also 10, that is 10 square divided by 10 gives us 10, 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 plus. In this series, these all are n terms, so we will get minus 1 n times, so it will give us minus n. As a result, we will get 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 9 plus minus minus n as the answer. Let's have another example. Our next example is if a, b, c are in GP and a to the power 1 by x equals to b to the power 1 by y equals to c to the power 1 by z. Prove that x, y, z are in AP. So it is given that a to the power 1 by x is equal to b to the power 1 by y is equal to c to the power 1 by z. Let's suppose these all are equal to k. So this will be equal to, a will be equal to k to the power x. Similarly, b will be equal to k to the power y and c will be equal to k to the power z. Now this is also given that a, b, c are in GP. So b square is equal to AC. This we have learnt in our earlier classes. Now putting our value over here, value of b is k to the power y. K to the power y square is equal to a, which is k to the power x. K to the power x into c, which is k to the power z. This will give us k to 2y is equals to k into x to k into z. Solving this will give us k into x plus z. So 2y is equal to x plus z. This proves that x, y, z are in AP because its middle term, that is 2y, y is the middle term. So x minus y will equal to y minus z. This proves that this is in AP. For more tutorials, you can log into indiaedu.com, and for more concepts and more tricks, please log into and tune with indiaedu.com.